Good morning, dear students, and welcome to e-learning module produced by Netaji Subhash Mahavidyalaya, Koldibari, Coach Bihar. Dear students, now I am going to talk about the rest characters which are prominent in the novel, The Sad Line. The next character which I will discuss now is May Price. May Price is daughter of Mrs. Price. She is an infant. When 3D died, she was an infant. She was in her childhood. His family are in London in 1939, and she is at least 10 years older than her younger brother Nick. May is an oboist and plays an orchestra professionally throughout her adult life. The latter in life, she also works for the causes that provide housing and disaster relief in third world countries. When she is 19, remember here, when she was 19, she and 3D begin a correspondence, and that lasts for 4 years and culminates in a visit to India. At this point, May is not sure if she loves Sridev or not, and she remains unsure even throughout her visit to India. While she is in India, she and Trideep sees the tourist sites and spends time together. Often they are accompanied by the narrator or unnamed narrator, who is 11-year-old at that time. Near the end of her visit, she accompanies Trideep and Thamma to Dhaka and visit Thamma's ancestral home. When a riot breaks out, May gets out of the car, believing that as an English woman, the mob, the infringed mob, the violent mob would not hurt her. Though she is correct, Trideep dies when he gets out of the car to protect her and his great uncle Jethamosai. May lives the rest of her life wondering if she killed Trideep herself. Though she eventually comes to believe that Trideep sacrificed himself for her, presumably because of what she saw in India and because of her guilt. She sleeps on the floor and fasts or keeps fasts one day per week. When she reconnects with the narrator in the 1980s, she shares with him her youthful uncertainties about whether or not she loved Trideep, and her fears that she herself killed him. Actually, it was her conscience that was always enkindling her to think that she is the reason for the death of Trideep. Though he assaults her, she later invites him to have physical relationship after sharing her version of what happened during the riot. Dear student, next important character is Maya Devi. Maya Devi was the sister of Thamma. She is Thamma's younger sister. The narrator describes the two women as being like reflection in a looking glass. Maya Devi is lucky enough to marry Sahib, a wealthy diplomat. As much she travels often throughout her life, including to London in 1939 with the 9-year-old Tridib, her middle son. She has an older son named Jatin and a much younger son named Robi. Robi is only a few years older than the narrator. Maya Devi is beautiful and shy woman, and she worries often about Tridib's safety while they are in London. Though she offers to help Thamma when Thamma's husband dies, Thamma refuses to take any kind of help from her. Thamma often refers to Maya Devi as somewhat foolish, given that Maya Devi was afraid of scary stories and fully believed her older sister's tale that their uncle Jethamosai's side of the house was entirely upside down. However, Maya Devi agrees to take Thamma to visit their ancestral home when Thamma visits her in Dhaka. For much of the visit and during the riot, Maya Devi is silent. After Tridib dies, she gives the narrator Tridib's atlas. Now, dear students, the next character that we will discuss about is Nick Price. Nick was May Price's brother. As children, Eli introduced the narrator to Nick Price through stories she tells about playing with him in London when her family lives with he's several years older, blonde, and has long hair. The narrator recognizes that Nick is his opponent for Eli's affection and therefore feels as though he grows up in Nick's ever more mature shadow. Even he does not meet Nick's until they are all adults. Though Ela idealized Nick as a child and the two likely did play together, he also refused to stand up for Ela when she was a victim of racial violence. Dear students, you will remember at present George Floyd has been killed very mercilessly, in America due to his becoming black skin, and this is called racial violence. And Ela had been subjected to racial violence also. In adulthood, Nick floats somewhat aimlessly through life, coasting on opportunities afforded to him through his privilege. His sister May implies that Nick was fired from his last job for embezzlement. Not long after, Nick and Ela marry, but Ela discovers that Nick has several other girlfriends and no intention of giving up any of them, though she decides she could never leave him. She does punish him by embracing him at dinner parties. Dear students, the rest character I will discuss in the next video. Since the span of video is becoming longer, I am stopping here. Thank you. Enjoy reading.